and
Stress out.
you're stressed.
Stress right
If
out.
you notice, I had to draw for my Rita Marley scarf today.
Wrap up settings,
Wrap up
yeah.
settings. You know, when your granny had a earther and she have to use the scorpion, pimento and the green winter vegetable with the beer rum.
Beer rum,
I gotta
yeah.
tell you, I had to sop my head this morning. When I got the news, Calico, let me tell you, I automatically lost my appetite. And, I got to tell you, it was very scary for me today. And I know that there are many people who are in the same boat. Big ups to everybody in Canada on the locking right about now, because let me tell you, this is serious, serious business. I knew it was only a matter of time. But now, today, August 18, is D-Day. D-Day, as the Delta variant has touched down in Jamaica. And I don't want anybody to think that it is a joke or it is something to be about which to be flippant or to be taken lightly. We are in a serious, detrimental way right now. And it is imperative that all of us do what we can do and what we must do to try and stave off and cauterize and control the spread of this virus. Calico, from the start of this pandemic, I have been beseeching, imploring, asking, begging people, please wear your mask, social distance, sanitize, like a stick record. We ask you, do me a beg you every day. And, we've allowed our insatiable appetite for partying and being outside and fraternizing to get the better of us. Well, here we are now. Here we are today on a Wednesday. So right after grace, give me a little break and shed a little grace pan we and gone. Boop! Delta will run up in it like a brick wall. We're here now. We're here now. We've heard about places where, Calico, one case of COVID-19. What's her name? Jacinda Ardern, the Prime Minister for New Zealand. One case. And she shut down the place. Lock it down. Lock it down. Because a lot of people are not seeing how detrimental, how costly this virus is. How insidious the virus is. How virulent the virus is. I remember last week we shared the receipt. I think his name is Ron McNally. I actually met him over the weekend, and he was just saying, Miss Kitty, please continue to encourage people to get vaccinated, wear their masks, Right about now, Calico is my suit. I want to go back for right about now, may I tell you. Me never got a place there again. I'm telling you. Hey, O'Neill World, how are you doing, sweetie? Yeah. It is very serious, guys. And really and truly, me don't know, we're going to deal with this, but we have to deal with it. Calico, a serious business. And a dolly house. And a party shop business. Right? And so, the Ministry of Health and Wellness has confirmed the presence of the highly contagious Delta variant of COVID-19 in Jamaica. A statement from the ministry today quoted Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton as saying, we have received 40 results from the 60 samples sent to the Caribbean Public Health Agency. 22 are positive for the Delta variant. And you don't have to take my word for it. I want you to hear Dr. Tufton in his own voice. Viva voce. Talk to me, doctor.
Hello, Jamaica. Today is the 18th of August, 2021. And I'd like to confirm that the Delta variant of the COVID-19 virus is present in Jamaica based on test results that we received today. Of the 40 tests done, 22 have confirmed the Delta variant. And this represents another phase in the COVID virus in our country and the response that is necessary. Now, the truth is, we had assumed that the Delta variant was here. We did say so publicly. But now that we have confirmed it, I want to reiterate to all Jamaicans the following. Firstly, the Delta variant is highly contagious. It is said to be more contagious than the other variants of the COVID-19 virus. It means that you can get it a lot easier. Persons can spread it a lot easier. Unvaccinated persons, highly at risk particularly if you don't wear your mask, physical distance, or sanitize. Even the vaccinated can also get the virus, and therefore mask wearing should be universal and standard. We do not want to overcrowd more than we are already our hospitals, or bring you or put you at risk, and therefore it is so important that you recognize the importance of wearing the mask and following the protocols. Again, Delta is here, and Delta means faster spread, more contagious, easier to catch, and easier to spread. Get vaccinated, wear your mask. Let it be said that we have said, those who have ears to hear, let them hear. Please follow the protocol. Let's fight COVID together.
Dr. Christopher Tufton, Health and Wellness Minister. I feel like I just want to, but that swan got eyed. You understand, Calico?
The racket already?
But that's what.
Leave the earth.
But just, I want to Richard Branson. You remember what day you did, man? Richard Branson say, if you want a free seat,
Yeah, man.
I wonder if you women, me time say me wash off piece of the spaceship, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me's a girl willing for work for my. I wonder if
Spaceship
Jacinda.
settings right now.
I wonder if Jacinda want take me down at New Zealand right now, because me's a girl can answer phone, me can talk to people, and me willing to work. Me can sweep out office and so. Me's a very industrious young lady. I'm quite ambitious. I'm just saying, it is crazy. It is crazy. And Calico, when you talk, it may seem like, oh my God, you know, you're overreacting, or, oh my God, you know, we're talking about this all the time. But this is what we were trying to avoid. But here we are now. And so my question to all of you this afternoon, how do you feel now that the Delta variant is in Jamaica? And what precautionary measures are you going to be taking, or are you taking, to ensure that you protect yourselves, protect your family, protect those who are vulnerable, you know, against this? Because I am saying to myself, well, I know some people, for example, Calico, if you're unvaccinated, you cannot come into their home, or you cannot go into their personal space. Some persons have taken it, serious. Not laugh with the road, none at all. And so I want to ask everybody this afternoon, how do you feel about what's going on? Are you vaccinated? Are you going to get the vaccine? Or if not, what other precautionary measures are you taking to protect yourself? Because at this psychological moment, we need God and Christ and everybody in this. The 12 disciples and all the one who never make it. You understand? Everybody needs to be on board right about now. You know, there are persons who have respiratory illnesses, right? Asthma, bronchitis, right? All kind of different things. There are people who have comorbidities. And this is the hurtful part about all of this, because there are people who have been walking the straight and narrow. There are people who have deprived themselves of going to a party or having a gathering or doing anything at all. And here it is now that we're all going to get crushed in a rush. And this is where we are right now. I got to tell you, it is a very scary time, but still, as the minister said, we can still try as best we can to combat this virus. Wear our masks, sanitize, social distance. And if you believe in the vaccine and you want to get vaccinated, please go and do so now. Please go and do so now, because we are in this together. As I said, you know, it's the worst group project me ever in my entire life. You understand? Because when you do your group work and the other people them not doing their group work, and you get Z minus. You know, it's a problem. And right now, we're getting a Z minus. Guys, we have to take matters into our hands and be responsible. We have now 59,377 cases of COVID-19, 22 cases of the Delta variant, 289 cases in the last 24 hours. Guys, we have to take this